Yeah.
Alright lads, genuinely quick video today. I've had a question from Jacob Wilson. Alright Jacob, he's asked us who my top 5 car YouTubers are right now. So I'm going to run through my top 5. There's more than 5, but these are just the ones that I'm watching like all the time at the minute. So someone I've mentioned on the channel before is Adam Smith. He's a local lad to me, and he's got a 3-door Sierra Cos. He's got good crack, makes good videos, he's got a decent upload schedule, normally puts 1-2 videos up a week, so go and check him out, really good. The next one is B7TMY. So Tommy has got a Focus RS Mark III, and been watching him for a while. He used to have a Fiesta ST and he's upgraded to a Mark III Focus RS. His videos are really good. He likes to do a little bit of DIY himself. Doesn't always go right, but you know, he tries his best. But overall, decent channel again, good upload schedule. So I do like Tommy. Next one is B is for Build. So it's an American channel, and he basically buys wrecked cars and fixes them, pretty much. Started with like old Nissan 240s and stuff, and he's now moved up to Nissan GTRs. He's got Lamborghini Hurricane. What else has he got? He's got all sorts. M5. He's got about 10 cars at the minute. He's definitely one to watch. And when he's at 3. Hoovies. Everyone knows Hoovies Garage. Love Hoovies. Just buys cars, sells cars, spends money on them, loses money. Decent. And probably the last one will be another local lad, Sierra Cos We Can. So he's definitely still got a white Mark II Focus RS, the same as mine. That's why I started watching him. And I don't know if he's still got his Sierra. He had a 3-door white big fin Cosy, the same as Adam's, but I'm not sure if he sold that. He's also got a Transit Connect because he's cool like that. But he hasn't been uploading for ages, but he's just started again. He's just put a video of a Series 2 RS Turbo on, and he said that he's going to be starting to make more videos very soon, and we're going to meet up in the summer and do something together with the 2 white Focuses, so that should be pretty cool. So look at this, it actually is a quick video. I said it was going to be a quick one, and it is. No editing, no chopping together, it is just a one take. Bosh, get that in ya. I'll put links to all of these channels down below, and I'll probably do in the description, I'm going to do a top 10 list, because this is just off the top of my head, so I might have missed someone or I might have got them in the wrong order, but I will do a top 10 list in the description. And like I say, there'll be a link to all these channels in the description, so go over and check them out and see what you think. That's it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Yeah.